Hello everybody, and welcome back to our channel. One of the universe's most enigmatic and fascinating phenomena, black holes, will be the topic of our discussion today. These cosmic objects are so fascinating that they have caught the imagination of scientists and science fans alike. In this video, we will explore the realm of black holes in great detail in an effort to comprehend what they are, how they arise, and why they are so interesting. So let's get going. One of the most fascinating and enigmatic occurrences in the cosmos is the existence of black holes. The imaginations of both scientists and science amateurs have been captured by these cosmic objects due to their incredible fascination. In this video, we will explore the realm of black holes in great detail in an effort to comprehend what they are, how they arise, and why they are so interesting. What are black holes? Black holes are space-based phenomena with such a powerful gravitational attraction that nothing can escape from them, not even light. Massive stars that have run out of fuel and collapsed under the pull of gravity give birth to them. The star's core undergoes such a severe collapse that a singularity, which is an infinitely small and dense area, is created. Event horizon? Black holes' event horizons are among its most intriguing features. Every object that gets too close to the black hole has passed the point of no return. It is impossible to escape the gravitational attraction of a black hole after an object has crossed the event horizon. Types of black holes. Stellar, intermediate, and supermassive are the three different categories of black holes. Black holes that form when a big star collapses are the most frequent and are known as stellar black holes. In between stellar and supermassive black holes are intermediate black holes, which are bigger than both. Supermassive black holes can have masses that are millions, billions, or even more than 1,000,000 times higher than our Sun. They are found at the heart of galaxies. Formation of black holes. Massive stars that have run out of fuel and are unable to provide the heat and pressure necessary to withstand the gravitational pull of the universe eventually collapse into black holes. A singularity is a region of infinite density where the fundamental principles of physics as we understand them collide as the star's core collapses. Black holes' properties. In contrast to other cosmic phenomena, black holes have a number of distinctive characteristics that make them stand out. Because they don't have a surface, for instance, and because of their intense gravity, space-time itself is warped. Moreover, they are capable of spinning quickly, producing powerful magnetic fields, and they also release radiation known as Hawking radiation. Detecting black holes. Black holes are enigmatic, but there are a number of ways to spot them that scientists have discovered. Finding evidence of a black hole's gravitational pull on neighboring objects, like stars or gas clouds, is one of the most used techniques. The radiation that matter emits as it enters a black hole can also be used by scientists to find these objects. Black holes in the universe. Black holes are incredibly important in the universe. They influence everything from how galaxies develop to how surrounding stars and planets behave. Additionally, they play a significant role in some of the universe's most dramatic and violent occurrences, such as the merger of two black holes, which can cause gravitational waves or ripples in space-time to form. The difficulty of actually observing black holes is one of the most important difficulties in understanding them. Black holes don't emit any light by definition, making them undetectable to conventional telescopes. But using novel methods and cutting-edge tools, scientists have been able to deduce the presence of black holes by observing their impacts on nearby matter, such as stars orbiting an undetectable center of mass. A fresh window into understanding black holes has recently been created by the discovery of gravitational waves, which are ripples in space-time. When two black holes orbit and finally merge, gravitational waves are released, causing a tremendously strong and transient burst of energy that may be detected by sensitive detectors on Earth. In conclusion, black holes are among the universe's most amazing and enigmatic phenomena. Black holes continue to enthrall scientists and non-scientists alike because of their special qualities and critical role in the creation of the cosmos. We can learn more about the nature of the cosmos and our place within it by researching and investigating black holes. Please don't forget to subscribe and come along with us as we embark on this fascinating cosmic exploration and discovery voyage. Thank you for watching.